Hello, everyone, and welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Daphne. We are in my small half bath on the first floor. I just wanted to give you guys an overview of the space. We're going to be totally redoing this space, and it is going to look amazing. So I wanted to share with you guys, and I wanted you to be able to see how the room is looking right now. It is a super small space. Right now we have like a blue color on the top, and we also have a charcoal color on the beadboard down below. So we're going to be painting the walls, we're going to be changing the mirror, the light fixture, the faucet, and then we're going to be doing a paint update on the vanity. So I hope that you guys are ready for this makeover because we're about to start. So we just got back from the paint store. I usually go to Benjamin Moore, especially if they're open, and today is Saturday, so I took advantage of this. I picked up the Benjamin Moore Regal Select in eggshell, and we're going to be painting this over all of the surfaces in the bathroom. Yes, I know this is black. We selected Benjamin Moore color black. Now, in the past, the black that I've incorporated into my space has been Benjamin Moore Limousine Black, but I wanted to try out the equivalent color at Benjamin Moore because I really do like Benjamin Moore's colors better than I like the Behr paint. So we still wanted to get a similar black color to the limousine black. So I asked the guy at the counter, and he suggested that I get the black color for Benjamin Moore. Now with black, they can read either yellow, they can read redder, they can read blue, they can have all different types of undertones. So initially I had just picked the black cards, and I really didn't like any one of these blacks. So that's why I went to the counter and I asked the guy about, checking to see what the closest color was. And I really like this black. And it's funny that it's just called black. So we went with that. I picked up 1 gallon of the Regal Select. So we're now going to go prep the space in the bathroom, and then we're going to get started. So leave me a comment down below if you would ever consider painting your bathroom, a wall, any part of your home black. Before this past, I say like year and a half, I never would have thought to paint anything black. And I feel like this space was crying out to be painted black. Once we go through this process and you see how the room is evolving and how like all of the accessories go into this space, I believe you're going to change your opinion if right now you feel that you would never paint something black. So I just want to thank everyone for joining me today. I really do appreciate each time that you spend some time with me. This is a new channel and I am just blown away with all of the support that you guys have been giving me. So I just want to say thank you to all of my new subscribers, my old subscribers. If you're hearing my voice today for the first time, I just want to thank you so much for joining me, and I hope that you enjoy my video enough to be able to subscribe and join me back here again. So before I start painting, I just want to make sure that I clean every surface of the space. So I'm just using a little warm water and dish soap to just wipe down all of the surfaces. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. So this is an old paint tray liner, and I usually, before I start with a project, and yes, I do reuse my paint tray liners, I rip all of the old paint that has dried in the liner and it's brand new. There's no reason to keep going out and rebuying these liners when you can just remove the paint so easily. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. So this is the paint. There's no going back from this point. So here we go. So to make the painting process a little easier, I'm just going in with an angled brush. It's a Purdy brush, and I'm using about a 1.5 inch size brush, and I'm just going into all of the grooves on the beadboard, all of the recess areas on the beadboard. It's hard to be able to get that painted with a roller, so I'm just taking the time to go in and get all of those nooks and crannies covered with paint, and then I'm going to go in with the roller. So this is the first time that you're going to be able to see like the full wall and also the beadboard being painted black. So comment down below yes or no, so I know at this point if you like it or not. So we're just finishing up all of the walls. We applied one coat and we're gonna let it dry, and we're gonna go back in with another coat. And then after I finish this, I'm going to be moving over to our vanity. So I'm going to be doing a quick facelift on the vanity. We're going to be doing 2 coats. I'm going to be using the same Revere pewter that I used on my family room back wall. So I think that that color is really complementary to all of the black in here. And I'm going to be doing a DIY, which is going to be in part 2 with those doors. So in this video, I'm just going to show painting the base coat. And then next time you're going to see how we further DIY'd that cabinet. So this is how the room is after one full coat. I did go back in and cover up the heater pole. I painted that black as well. So we are going to be ending it here. I'm just giving you an overview of how the room looks fully painted black, and I love it. So I'm going to be showing a couple of items, more of the hardware that's going to be going into this space, and we're going to be completing this over this next week, and we're going to share it with you completed on this Thursday. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I really do hope that you enjoyed this little part 1 of my guest bathroom makeover. So thanks again. We're going to be going into a project recap so that you can just get a little more familiar with my channel, see what projects we've accomplished thus far. I hope that you like the vibe of them. You can always check the playlist. They're going to be linked in the description. So I hope that you guys enjoy. Have a blessed week, and I'll see you back here on Thursday.